Alright, here's the problem. We've got the shower diverter knob turned all the way to the shower, but there's still water running out. So that's what we're going to try and fix. Alright, so I've gone ahead and turned off the water. So next I need to remove the top here and unscrew this and pull out this diverter to see what the problem is. As you can see, inside of there is a screw. So we unscrew that first. It's a good idea to put something down in the drain so that if it falls out, it doesn't go into the drain. Alright, so I've got the screw out of there, but this isn't coming straight off, so I'm going to get myself a little WD-40, spray it in there, and hopefully that'll help pull that off. What I'm going to try, since it's stuck, is to take the side of my screwdriver here and I'm going to take the side of it and kind of knock it on all sides with it screwed all the way in. See if I can knock off some of that scaling in the water, and maybe that'll help me get that off. Okay, after putting some WD-40 inside of there and around the sides and tapping it with the screwdriver, I was able to get that off. Next we need to unscrew this piece. There we go. And that exposes the diverter valve, which I believe is what the problem is. So next we'll get our wrench and unscrew this portion here and see what the rubber bushing looks like, washer bushing thing looks like behind there. That might be the issue. So let's see what that does. It is possible that just by tightening this portion down a little bit that it could fix the problem, but we do want to see what that looks like behind there, so let's check it out. Alright, well that is pretty recessed, so if you can get one of these types of tools to make your life a little easier, put that in there, get the screwdriver and poof, pull that out. Once you've got that, you may want to get yourself some toweling to put inside of there so that water doesn't drip down inside of your walls once you pull that out. So that's what it looks like, and looks like it's got some issues with the edge there. So I think a new rubber bushing will probably fix the problem. Let me go ahead and stuff some paper toweling in there, and I'll show you what it looks like. You can see that. Good. Here we go. I got some toweling in there. I'm going to go ahead and take this over to the hardware DIY store and see about getting a new bushing to fit in there, and reinstall, and hopefully that diverter will be working. Alright, the homeowner and I went to the store, and rather than just getting the bushing on the top, we went ahead and got a whole new valve, diverter valve, so we're going to go ahead and put that in. Okay, let me take that out, and it should be as simple as pushing it on in there and tightening it up. Just make sure it goes on straight. Alright, got it pushed in there. I'm going to go ahead and start it with my hand. You want to go ahead and use the wrench piece so you can get a little extra pressure to push it on there. Just make sure you don't strip it out while you're doing that. Alright, you may need to make sure that the washer on the end of this, where it connects to the end, is exactly in the center. I was having a little trouble getting it in there, but now that I've got it in the center, it is fully seated in there. Time to get the rest of the faucet diverter on. Next we'll put the housing on. It just screws right in there. Just like that. Okay, good to go there. Okay, so I went ahead and put a little WD-40 on the inside of that. Break down some of the hard water in there. And now we just button it right in there. And get the screw. Screw it in. Alright, there's the screw and the hole. So let's get that in there. Okay, there we go. Got it all the way screwed in. Don't over tighten it. Don't want to mess that up. Alright, then finally we've got the cap, and you can see there's this little piece right here, and that's going to go right there. So you just pop it on there, and there you have it. Let's go turn on the water and make sure that diverter is completely fixed. Okay, I've got the water turned on and pressurized. So turn on the water and check the diverter. And look at that. No more giant amount of water coming out the bottom. In fact, it has completely stopped. Now we've got the full pressure for a shower. Perfect. Alright, with that done, like and subscribe if you enjoyed what I showed you. Have a great day.